Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to draw GamerBagel using pixel art the way I drew him. First, what you're gonna tap on the circle tool, then you're gonna do a nice big circle like that. Then you're gonna add in another one, just a bit smaller. Then what you're gonna do is just use this tool, put it sort of in the middle, like kind of like that. Then get out the line tool, do that, straight line, and another straight line. Then here comes the tricky part. It's freehanded and you just gotta try and make it as round as you can. So just like that. And just very slowly. There you go. Now what you gotta do is grab the line tool out again. Control Z. Put a line right here. And another line right here. I would draw them by myself, but I'm too lazy. And I won't get it very straight. Put another one here. And another one here. Now what you're going to do is color it in with the pencil tool, but since I have a bucket tool, I'm going to use that instead. See, look, now it looks epic. Already looks epic. It looks better than the one I already have. Now we're going to fill up this. Now we're going to draw the mouth. Right now it's in white. Change it to black. Gonna draw the big smiley mouth that my character has. That the GamerBagel has. Now it needs to be bigger. Okay, let's try again. Why is this red thing here? That's different. Okay, then line tool. Again. Put that there. Use the pencil tool to make something here. The tongue. Now we want to color them in. Now we want to color it in. Bucket tool. Yeet. White in the teeth. Four colors, skin tones. Maybe this color. Yeah, this color. And then finally we default. Finally we add in the black to the mouth. Then done. That is how you draw my character GamerBagel. Look how epic this looks. Oops. Wait, I'm just gonna give it some detail. Shade it a bit. Look how epic this looks, guys. This looks so epic. And this video was made especially for Default 10 because clearly it doesn't know how to draw GamerBagel. I really want to see who can draw GamerBagel the best, me or one of you guys. I'd like to see one of you guys try. Because know this, you won't be able to make it better than what I have created. Just a little bit more. Okay, silence has entered the room. Lighter. Damn, that looks much better. Boop, done. Now, detail to his big, ginormous glasses. That is no nose, it's just a hole. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.